Hi everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to give you a review of the Pride Mobility Jazzy Elite HD Power Wheelchair. Now before I get started with this video, I do want to mention a few things. Number one, if you want a copy of our free product catalog, all you have to do is go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. It's that easy. I also want to say that if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you're automatically going to get entered into our monthly giveaway. That's right, we give away a free powered mobility product once a month to a random subscriber of our YouTube channel. You're already here, it's free, it takes no time. Just subscribe by hitting the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. Do want to also mention that we have in-depth review videos of every single power wheelchair that you see in this room, made by Pride Mobility, including ride-along videos that give you a first-person perspective of what it's like to sit in the chair with the camera mounted onto the user, and you can learn a lot about these products, not just on our channel, but on the Mobility Scooter Sales YouTube channel as well. There are links in the descriptions for all of those videos. So we'll go ahead and get started now with the review of the Jazzy Elite HD here. We have it in a nice blue color. Now, something about the Jazzy Elite HD that makes it unique is the fact that it has a 450-pound weight capacity. It's a very compact chair with a 24-inch turning radius, so it's great in tight places. It is considered a front-wheel drive power wheelchair, so it's going to have excellent traction. As you can see, it has a flip-up foot plate, which is very spacious. It has front casters that are anti-tip wheels, and if you look closely here, you're going to see that it has the brake levers right under here on each side of the Jazzy logo. So if you want to push the chair manually, you can unlock these levers. That's going to unlock the braking system. And now I can actually push the chair manually. If your battery runs out and you need to push it, put it into storage somewhere for a while, if you're not going to use it, that's what you would do. Keep in mind, when you unlock the brakes, the unit's not going to move when you try to use the joystick. That's a safety feature. If you run out of batteries and you're in the chair, you could roll down a hill uncontrollably. So in order to use the chair, you have to put those brake levers back in the locked position. So I'm going to put them back in the locked position, and the chair will work fine now when you recycle power. Now on the rear, you can see these rear caster wheels, and right next to the bars that hold the wheels, there's these yellow screws, these hand screws. If you loosen those hand screws up all the way, that's how you're going to access your batteries. You've got two 12-volt lead-acid batteries in here that slide out. So when you're ready to change the batteries, it's pretty easy. You've got these little harness connectors. You just detach the nuts and the bolts on the battery terminals, replace the batteries, and then plug the harness connectors back in right here. Very, very service-friendly. Technicians find it very easy to work on this product, and I'll show you how to access the controller in the front in just a moment. Do want to talk about the tires though. It has 14-inch foam-filled tires for the drive tires, and in the back you've got 6-inch casters, and in the front you have 3-inch anti-tip wheels. It also has a 3-inch ground clearance, and in the front here, here's the plate that you would remove to access the controller and diagnose the chair, check wire harnesses, etc. You just remove those two screws and this front plate pops right off. Very easy to work with. All right, now this is the standard joystick that comes with most power wheelchairs. There's a power button right in the middle of the speed control limiting knob. So if you go all the way to the right, you're going to allow it to go up to its top speed, which is 4 miles per hour. The more you go counterclockwise, it's going to limit that top speed. You also have a horn buzzer. And these lights are going to show you the charging state of the battery. So as you start using your chair, each light is going to turn off one at a time, and that's going to tell you when it's time to start charging. You usually want to start charging when it gets to the yellow. The joystick is pretty normal. It is sensitive to the pull and the swing, so if you go all the way, it goes top speed. If you go lightly, it'll crawl slowly. You can mount the joystick on the right side or the left side very easily. You see the charging port right there? It's an XLR charger, 24-volt charger that comes with the unit. And down here you could see it just slides in right here, this whole assembly. So if you want to loosen that set screw, bring the wire over and switch it to the left side, it's very easy to do so. Now this model has been upgraded with the swing away joystick, so you could swing the joystick out of the way. adds a little convenience when you're pulling up to a table, so the depth is kind of reduced here. That is an upgrade feature available on most power wheelchairs. You just have to customize it. You can always call our non-commissioned sales experts if you want to learn more about the custom options. You do get a seat belt with every power wheelchair made by Pride Mobility, and you have several different seat belt size options to choose from, which is nice. The armrests, not only do they flip up, but we've got a couple of comfort adjustment features that I want to talk to you about with the armrests. So right here's a set screw. The user manual bag that comes with your chair is going to have an Allen key, and that's where you insert that Allen key. You loosen that up, and you can lower or raise the height of the armrests. Down here, there's also a set screw. You can't really see it, but if you put that Allen key right here, turn counterclockwise and loosen it up, you can then adjust the width of the armrests, also known as the distance between the armrests, to open up more space if you need it. I also want to show you right here that there is a hitch receiver. It's a universal 1-inch hitch receiver square. So if you have a rear basket, oxygen tank holder, cane holder, walker holder, that's where you would put it. There's a ton of accessory options to choose from, and you could check out our website when you're checking out, or speak with our sales team to learn more about those options. You also have on the right side a recline lever. So it does have a semi-recline feature. Doesn't go back too far, but it does recline slightly, and you could fold the backrest all the way down, which makes it easier to remove the seat when you're going to remove the seat if you need to. Removing the seat is pretty easy. You just need to pull this lever right here, and then it releases it, and then you can go ahead and pull up and out. I'm not going to do that now, but just want to show you it's an H-style seat frame post system here. It is height adjustable by 2 inches, and we're going to talk about the specs here in just a second. Now I'm going to have a link to the specification sheet, which you can view or download or print, and I'm going to run through a couple of the important ones. Again, it's a 450-pound weight capacity chair. The overall width is 24.25 inches. The overall length is 35.5 inches. It can travel up to 4 miles per hour, and it has a 3-inch ground clearance. You have an 18-inch wide by 18-inch deep seat option, as well as a 20-inch wide by 18-inch depth. You have a 22-inch wide by 20-inch depth, and a 24-inch wide by a 24-inch deep seat. So there's several different seat options, several different configurations that you can learn from if you visit our website or speak with our sales experts that, again, are non-commissioned. That's going to pretty much wrap up the review of the Jazzy Elite HD. Remember, we have tons of other videos on this chair and a comparison video that talks about every single power wheelchair by Pride and what makes each one of them unique. Again, my name is Sergio. I'm with Mobility Direct. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.
Before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube, search for Mobility Direct, and hit the subscribe button. You can also enable notifications. That way you get notified whenever we release new videos just like this one. Our YouTube channel is organized into convenient playlists ranging from repair videos, review videos, unboxing videos, and we're constantly making epic videos. So make sure you go on over to our YouTube channel, check out our videos, leave a comment if you have any questions. We reply to all of our comments. We would also appreciate it if you like the video. And by the way, don't forget, you can claim a copy of our free catalog. Just go to our website and then click on the green button at the top of every page. Just fill out that short form. You'll get one in the mail within 2 weeks. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.